Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ate Baby, happy 70th birthday to you!
Ate Baby, I wish you happy birthday, and I pray to the Lord good health, long life, and God bless to you and all the family of the Armosilla family. Happy birthday and enjoy your birthday to come.
Ate Baby, happy birthday! We love you from Sampaloc, Manila, Philippines!
Happy birthday, Auntie Baby! We miss you! God bless you!
Happy birthday po, Auntie Baby. God bless you. Ingat po kayo lagi. And we're praying for you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lola Baby! We love you!
Happy birthday, babe. I love you. I miss you. Oh.
Bye!
Bye-bye! Enjoy po!
Hi, Auntie Baby! We would like to thank you for all the blessings you continue to share with us. At ngayong birthday mo, we wish you more birthdays to come. Stay healthy. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Baby!
We love you!
We love you.
Good evening, Ate Baby. Just want to wish you a happy birthday. We wish you all the best. We love you. From Hilda, Jade, Hans, and Nicole. Kamusta lang po sa lahat ng uncles and aunties there in the US, nephews and cousins. We love you all. Again, happy birthday again, Ate Baby. Bye. I'm here in Abu Dhabi. Bye.
Hi Ninang, happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. Sana masaya po kayo ngayong birthday nyo. More birthdays to come po. Wish you all the best. Good health. We miss you na po. Sana makapagbakasyon na po ulit kayo ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. Yun po. Salamat po sa lahat. Yun, naitulong nyo po sa amin. We love you po. Yun, happy birthday po. Bye!
Hello, Auntie Baby. Greetings from New York. Just wanted to wish you happy birthday. I'm sorry I'm not home to celebrate with you, but I'll be there in spirit. I love you so much, and I hope you have fun celebrating. Bye!